Good afternoon. 2007 Crescendo made by Gulfstream. It is approximately 38 feet long. Yet excuse the wind. It is windy here today. I hope it doesn't catch up on the camera, but we're going to do a walkthrough of this unit. You can see the glass has no chips or cracks in it. It's sitting on a Continental tires, 275/70 22.5s. They're about 3.5, 4 years old. Very good shape, no dry rot, no cracking. Have a lot of tread left on them. You can see that. The awning's out right now. Now this does have the entry, typically on a diesel is like right around here. This one has it a little further back. It's got lots of basement storage, full body paint, which is in excellent condition. It just rained here last night, so it's a little bit dirty. It looks like there's a decal here, and looks like it's a little bubbling right here. I don't know if that shows up on a video, but usually there's a cap right here. The decals on the name is no cracking on it. Also here you could see it just in the cap area. It's got 2 new house batteries in it we just installed. Got a 2-year warranty. We get them from Walmart. That way when you do purchase a unit, you can find a Walmart wherever you are. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a 330 Cummins with a 6-speed Allison transmission. It's got a 10,000 pound tow hitch. Let's take a look at the roof. One-piece fiberglass roof. Looks like in excellent shape. No crackings on the caulking. Might need it a little bit. Might need that. Might to be recocked. There's the awning. AC units. It is windy out here, so it might pick up in the video. I apologize for that. Very good shape, and they are painted gold, same color as the coach. $10,000 pound hitch with a 7-way built in case you want to tow. It's ready to go. It's got the mud flap on there. 50 amp service. It's got 2 furnaces, one for the front, one for the back. Also, it's got a 10-gallon hot water tank with electric and propane. And you can see there's a little, right by the black, there's a little, maybe weathered right there. Tires in the back, very good shape. Plenty of basement storage, also pass-through storage. There's your dump station. It's got 2 slide outs. Here's one of them right here. And also has all the window awnings also. That was installed probably afterwards with the it's got the guard on it, the metal guard on it, so if you do rub against a branch, you're not going to damage it. The paint is in excellent condition. You can see, I don't know if you can see the shine on it. It is, the jacks are down right now. Everything works in the unit. It doesn't have a 75 wall. I'm going to replace the windshields. Two new windshields on there because they are probably dry. There's a slide in the back. Now he had a custom window put in this. He has the original window if you want to take that out. It is in the coach. Automatic step. Let's take a look inside. It does have a little, this is coming out right here. That's probably easy replaceable. It's got 43,000 miles, 701 on it. It's got the LG TV up front. I believe this one does. The entertainment's in the back. 7-speed Allison transmission. It's got the exhaust brake. 137 hours on the generator. Let's go ahead and start that generator up. I'll start it right up. It's got a CB radio. Let's see how many miles. 43,701 miles on it. The generator, will leave that running. It does have brakes on the trailer. If you want to tow something, you can adjust the levelness of brake to the trailer. Backup camera. AM FM cassette CD. The dash air works perfect on this. That's the first thing that goes out in diesels, but this one is working perfect. It's got nice captain's chair. I kind of like the idea that the door is in the back. It gives you a little more space here. Little storage compartment right here. You got your 110. You got a 12 volt and a telephone jack. Cup holders. He did tint, though. These are tinted. They're not cracked. It is a tint, so but it really helps when you drive. Plenty of storage. It's got surround sound. Now this has the 2 rocking chairs, which are very comfortable, and a computer desk right here. Got a computer desk. You can do some work here. It's got all the maintenance and the booklets, the whole works, and also he's got a drawer full of all kinds of records in here. Plenty of storage. You could see he's even put carpeting here. That's how clean this guy was. Carpet's in very good shape. Now there is a spot right over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's very small, but there is a spot here. Dinette that turns into a bed. Also, this shade needs to be restrung. The cord came off of it, looks like, so that needs to be restrung. The rest of the shades work perfectly. Looks like he's got the LED lights on here in the front. Clock. It's got the real Corian countertops. This has a huge kitchen. This is bigger than normal kitchens. Got a 3-burner stove. Convection microwave. Lots of storage. Looks like some storage over here. More storage. More storage. Stainless steel sink with a water filtration. It's got a knife rack over there. Oh, pull out drawers here. Very nice touch. It does have the linoleum floors. This is not real tile, this is linoleum. Now coming back here, you have a washer and dryer combo. You have all your entertainment system over here. It's got a DVD Blu-ray, and it's got another Pioneer surround sound, looks like. Your first AC is right here. This is for your fantastic fan, excuse me. This is all your levels here. Now the generator is running. Check your battery levels, good, should be good. There's your hot water tank, there's your pump, and slide out right here. That's for this slide out over here. It's got a 2-door fridge with an ice maker. It is on and it is cold. It was plugged in, so it's on AC automatic right now. Let's take a look one more time. Absolutely beautiful coach, very, very well maintained. You have more storage. It's like a pass-through storage. Looks like that was done afterwards, because you can see where it was cut out, but it gives you more storage just in case when you're camping. Let's take a look at the bathroom and the bedroom area. It's got a nice sized bathroom. It's got a fantastic fan up here also, with a control right here, remote. Porcelain toilet. Nice size shower. It's got medicine cabinet. Nice, lot of storage. Got little baskets here for storage. This is the other slide right here. Nice size closet. It's got a queen size bed that's walk through. There's your second air condition here. There's your second slide. Now it looks like he had some stained glass here that he took out. So this does not have the glass. You can either put regular glass in there, or maybe you could put another stained glass that you like. It's got lots and lots of storage in here. More storage here. Got a reading light, air condition. The carpet's in really, really good shape. Now you notice there is a spot right here that looks like it's ripped right there, so I want to show you that. Overall, beautiful coach, really good shape. Low hours on the generator, low mileage on it, with 43,701. Gulfstream makes an absolutely beautiful motorhome, very good quality, and I just wanted to show you the Nada on it. It's a 207. Now the only thing we add is the full body paint, because that was an option. Low book is 61,180 and average retail is 71,710. So you can see that. We'll do one more walk through. You get to see it. I drove it 300 miles from Tucson, Arizona, with 0 issues. If you have any questions, please call me. My name is Mo. My phone number is 248-701-4368. Again, that number is 248-701-4368. Let's take a look at the outside one more time. It's not as windy probably. Now the generator is on. That's what you're hearing. Pretty quiet. It's a 7500 Onan quiet diesel. I noticed a little right here, the paint's chipped off right here. of this coach was a ex-retired firefighter, and it was, I think, in the Marines or maybe Army. There is the dryer vent. Probably see my shadow in that. It was clean, but it rained yesterday, so it's got about one more 1,500 miles to go for an oil change already. Second slide out. The jacks are down. No rust on the bottom at all. There's pictures on the on that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call, text. My name is Mo. My phone number is 248-701-4368. Thank you.